Hey guys, I have such exciting news to share with everyone today. We are actually moving to Miami. I am so excited. We're finally telling everyone today, and yeah, I just kind of wanted to record this as well at the same time, but we have done a cross-country move already. For those of you guys that don't know, we moved from Washington to Arizona exactly 2 years ago today, actually. Which is crazy, but now we're going to Miami. So yeah, we are definitely prepared for like a crazy long move, but not for the beach. We've never been lived right on the beach before, and we're going to be living like literally walking distance, like under 2 miles away from the beach, which is crazy. Yeah, we're just so stoked, like lost for words, honestly. But we ended up going to Miami for his birthday. That was my first time actually ever visiting Florida ever, but we stayed at the One Hotel South Beach Resort. I believe I'm saying that right. I don't know. He always corrects me, but he's not home right now. But yeah, we went there for his birthday in August, and we just stayed there for a few days, and we fell in love. For those of you that know that place, know how beautiful it is. And yeah, just like the whole entire experience of staying out down there, like just the whole entire life that it gives, like we were like, we got to be there. It's like meant for us. And so we are, yeah, heading there, just like 2.5 weeks, basically. It's crazy. I will share more on our like process and the things that we kind of like ran into on the way. So after we stayed there that one time, we were like, okay, we got to be there. We started looking for a place. The next month we flew out, we toured some places, and it was just such a fail, such a no-go, honestly. Some places, like, they weren't even there to tour us, like, even though we had a scheduled tour. It was just so hard getting in touch with certain people to schedule things, because they do a lot of things virtually and online kind of thing. So like leasing assistants, they like work from like, I don't know, a different state or something, and like they have a lot of virtual people that talk to you. So it's totally like different than like house searching that I've been used to. But yeah, like just getting someone on the phone was really hard. Getting something scheduled was hard. The market is so quick that like you find something you like and it's gone like right away. So it's pretty crazy. But yeah, I'm so happy that that part is all done and over with. It's been crazy, and we are downsizing. So we found a place that's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It's a high rise, and we are going to be paying way more down there than we are currently here. So here in Arizona, we have a house in Phoenix, and it's brand new. It's 4 bedrooms and 2-bath, and literally it's crazy what difference it gives. But I already obviously started downsizing and like packing everything up, selling things, donating. So like a lot of our stuff is already done and packed away, and we're basically ready. But yeah, it's crazy. It's so like weird to like, I don't know, for it to be real. Like it's crazy. But yeah, we're so excited. And I will do a tour of our new place probably later on. I'll show things of it, but I will be showing 3 places right now. After this, if you want to watch, they have just like an explanation of like what you are gonna kind of get for under $3,000 in the Miami area. So I have a place in Miami, downtown Miami, I mean, and then I have a place in Hollywood and in Fort Lauderdale. So we found that Fort Lauderdale was definitely cheaper for the size of the place. There's the 1 bedroom that I'm showing you with 2 walk-in closets and like a really good size of a living area and kitchen, and they ran under 2,800 for sure for that. And then Hollywood, they had a place, and their price was really decent too. It was under 3,000. You had 2 bedrooms and just like pretty much a decent amount of space. It just wasn't convenient for us, I guess. Like their sink is so funny, actually. You'll see it's tiny, and like the stovetop is small, and they had like a microwave and oven together. So same thing as like in downtown Miami. They had like a little tiny like microwave oven thing. Just the whole entire space layout thing is just so tiny. Like the room is just for like a queen bed. I don't think there's even walking space, honestly. But it was like beautiful in the perfect spot. Apparently that's a studio if you're trying to go up and get like a full-size oven in that area at that specific place. It was like 3,500, which is crazy. And you still don't have like much like walk-in closet space or like bedroom space. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that right now. But I'm just so happy to finally be able to tell everyone. And yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go, but thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. So this is the place in downtown Miami. The location was perfect. The place is honestly beautiful, like the views around it and everything. This was over like the 20th floor or something like that, but this is that microwave oven thing that I was talking about. But look at this view. It's insane. You're literally like right out there. You get the ocean view and it's just beautiful, but it's not practical for anyone that has like bigger furniture. So like we would never be able to fit our sectional in here. And this was the bedroom. It was so tiny, like literally for a queen size bed, I believe she said. And this is the only closet you get. So if there's two of you, I mean, if you have barely anything, it probably might work, but it did not for us. They did have a little closet in the hallway, like for shoes, I guess, across from the washer and dryer. But again, this is the bathroom. It's really cute and aesthetic, but so tiny, and there's only one. It's workable, but it just so tiny for the cost. So this was basically $3,000 without any of their fees.
Get a full-size kitchen and a full-size fridge.
Oh, that's what you mean.
But you do get a washer, well, a miniature washer and miniature walk and dryer.
So there's no fridge?
No, this is a fridge.
Oh.
What do you think, baby?
I mean, it's cool.
I know, super cool.
We'd have to go shopping every other.
So this was the place in Hollywood as well. It's under $3,000. This was a suite there, and again, the kitchen was not practical for like a cook like me, but they had a lot of room. It had 2 bedrooms. The like living space area wasn't as big as we had thought it would be, so that was a big no for us, just because we could never like fit our sectional just like a good way like we hoped. But it did have like that mini washer and dryer, but they had walk-in showers in both of the bathrooms, so that was a big plus. And the extra bedroom did not have a closet, so that was the only thing that was missing, but it did have that room, which was great. And the last place we toured was in Fort Lauderdale. We actually came here right after our flight, so we were so sleep deprived, but look at the space for the living room, and like they had this huge island, which was really nice. The colors of this place were really darkening, but they had a lot of room like in the bathroom, and this place was the only one that actually came with 2 walk-in closets in the room that they had. So really great, just very spacious. Again, this one was the cheapest one. It was under $2,800.